Hi guys, let's practice making the small a of italics. Draw a line across the top left corner of your page for 45-degree angle. Place your pen on the line, lift it right in the same angle. Starting from the middle of the small square of the big square, make a sweep top and right. Don't go right to the end, stop a little short. So for step 1. For step 2, with a diagonal line, close the bowl of A. So step 1, step 2 and step 3, the final stroke. So I would like you to notice how these two strokes are so parallel to each other and both of them are hairlines. So how you can assess whether your A is correct or not? Make sure that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all three strokes are hairline. The joint of step 1 and step 2 should be a hairline. Then the diagonal line closing the bowl of A should be a hairline. And the final stroke of A should end into a hairline. I hope you will be able to make a perfect A. I hope you enjoy this.